just letting you know. Yes. At least this job smells good. If we had a real fireplace in the house, we could use these as starters. Don't sit probably as good as a fire starter. Well, that's what I was saying. If we had a real fireplace, we could use these fire starters. Once dry, they work really well that way. No. That's time. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna end up bumping these out. Okay guys, so that I think is a wrap for today, I believe. So we managed to get, so if I can get you this guy here built. Should have seen us doing that in our time lapse, and just have to fill it with dirt. And then we have another one that's going to be going right here where this purple bed is. And this is, we counted, and this new one, it's a little bit smaller than our other ones out here where I have the mini polytunnel or mock polytunnel and that. And it's, the new one is officially 24 bricks. So if you're interested in doing something like this, Just note that you're going to need 24 cinder block total. And then what we do right here, so this is a bump out, and this is just a place to sit the tools and things, so we usually put capstones on here, so you will need a total of 3 capstones to finish off here. And then if you do want to block off like an edge or a section that you don't necessarily want to put any dirt in the holes or plant in, you can go on ahead and get a few more to cover whatever section you are not going to be planting in. All right, and I think for right now that is a wrap. So happy February, everybody. And as always, keep it simple, natural, and essential, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.